going to place a wet top coat on that. Just a little bit. Maybe here. Oh, I love this so much. Because it's just small enough. You don't want to, absolutely you can leave it alone. Top coat, good to go. But if you want to add something on to dress it up, the thing is, just nails, is the flower is so cool and flat, and on the back, flat back, even though it's 3D, still really cool though to place on. It stay on flat on it. I can't wait to do this on my nails. Here you go. I just want a little bit tint of it, so you're still seeing your butterflies. Also, you're seeing yours. All right, so I am going to, using my Precision Glue gel, and thanks so much, Mama Vic. I'm so glad you like it. It's just a chamfer foil. I'm loving this chamfer foil. I'm like, wow. They're so super stunning. So I'm squeezed that right in the center, and I'm gonna just add the cute little beads on it to make a cute centers. And here, this one for 60 seconds. If you're happy with this, I have a little bars right here, so cute. It's holding and secure my flowers as well. And if you want, maybe I will do a couple of super cute here. Just not hurt to do that. Just super cute. There you go. Here, now we're gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. Here is super cute, and today we did this $5 crystal funds flowers 3D flat back 3D $5 nail art corners, and I can't wait. Tomorrow is gonna be another hot like content too. We're gonna do that one as well. It's so sparkle, and this one is so I have to have whole tray of it for you to see it. It's so hard to see on Instagram. I need to spin it. I'm sorry. It feels weird. Okay, I'm gonna do it in 1 second after the. Here. In the meantime, we're waiting. This is gonna be for tomorrow. Here you go, Instagram and Facebook. I'm gonna spin it. I'm gonna be a spinner. Different theme, different colors. We're gonna do that tomorrow in $5 crystal nail art section. Okay, so I don't know where did I do it. Maybe it's here. I did it already. And this one is the flowers blossom. And we have the message that people were asking right away for today, is that how we can able to do these designs, and then how can you able to achieve it. Here you go. That's the live videos is for you. And if you still have any question or you want to see something else with this, absolutely we're gonna continue doing this, as you're gonna have so much fun. And I'm gonna continue doing it even in the fall or in the winter. We can create that cute things together. because I see the pearls, I see the beads in there, I see everything in there that we can play it together. So here is a forward look with backgrounds. We did a fusioning and we did 2 colors. So I did a lot of videos with like 5 color fusionings, 2 colors, 1 color. Lately I do 1 colors for all of you who even have only 1 color of fusioning. I'm so sorry, Facebook right there. So we are doing the video today for all of you who are doing more than 1 color. So let me go into using my precision glue. I took the red cap because I'm filling the beads there, and I'm gonna seal all of them. It feels really good right here. I'm gonna seal every single of them for you, so then you can see. Now I'm gonna give you a little bit of the exam right here and feel scratchy right here, and then right here. So when you feel scratchy, you're gonna feel it in, like squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. And you can see the base is already attached really well. I'm gonna seal it right between crystals and the cute little pearls right there. You can go back again. It doesn't have to be one time. You feel it first, flash key, and then come back and feel it again, because if you feel still like sketchy, you want absolutely want to make sure they are staying nice and sealed completely. And around this one as well, and then you can seal the top of that bead. You know what, I'm sealing it here to the bars so it prevent from tarnish. I'm going to seal my pearls as well. I would not do it on the top of the crystal, but I would do seal my pearls to protect the color of the pearls. Great. I'm not putting on the top of crystal. I'm going to do around the edges of crystal to prevent it taking away from a shine and a sparkle. So continue to the second nail. This is preventing all like scratching and catching on the hair, clothes, or fabric. I'm going to seal on the top of the bars right there, around this, and right here on the base, on the top of that cute metal beads, on the pearls. I'm not going to do it on the top of the crystal, but I will do it on the pearls and on the bars. And then this one, it's got a little bit of extra precision glue, so I'm going to go ahead and blend it first before. All right, here for 60 seconds. Go into the third nails. I'm still using our precision glue, which is come in the Trifecta. When you go into checking on the tools, this is one of the really bestie to me. It's keeping me from, you know, having any trouble with the clients' crystal placement. I love crystal placement, and it's helped me so much to protect all the crystals for the clients, make them happy because they'll last. Okay, great. Blend it first, and then here for 60 seconds. Oh, I forgot right here. There you go. The last one here, this one after it done doesn't go anywhere. It's gonna stay there for a long time, few weeks. I don't know if you're gonna knock it off. I weighing like a 3D flowers and 3D crystal. Sometimes if I heat it, my like fingernails hurt, but it's not doing anything. It doesn't even do a dent for that. You feel it hurt because it's so stick on your nails. It stay on your nails. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna seal that all the metals to prevent from tarnish and the pearls right there. There you go. Here for 60 seconds, and this nails it will be done. And if you still feel the scratchy after you get the nails out, out from the lamp, you can absolutely feel it again. Here you go. Here for 60 seconds on this nails. Oh my god, it's such a really great live tutorials. I don't know how you're enjoying it, but I'm absolutely like it because I'm so like wow with this 2 foil collections and the $5 nail arts corners that I get few designs, the cherry blossom out. I can't wait to do more design with that. So let me know if you like it. With $5 nail art section, I'm gonna do it more. Look at how many butterflies I got it right here. I cut it from that collection of number 56. I have several of them on my side right now. I took it out, but I can't wait to do with this one. This one is really stunning as well. Like have a cotton candy colors. Ooh, this one look like a galaxy butterflies. Think about that. Just one stick on mine. Alright, so I'm gonna give you this. But I using that collections. So vibrant. I still want to do a green. Do I have green on it? I have a little green. I have a green, but then it was big, so I'm using smaller green. All right. 99 live vows. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, live vows. Good night, love. I will see you tomorrow. Remember to name the set so you get chance to win this set. Oh, which one did I do first? Oh, I did this one first. And I did this one. And I did this one. And I did this one. Is that right?
Something like that.
Hold on. I think I got the wrong one. Here. No, I did that one. Yes. Because you said that we're going to be back with the new flowers, so I know. Here you go, everyone.